I think I have the best job in the world, going out and catching fish and turning them into a sustainable food product for people to eat all over the country. My name's Tom Miners. I run the fishing vessel Admiral, and I've been runner boat in the Southeast pink salmon fishery for 12 seasons now, and I think this is my 20th participating in it. There are thousands of streams that come together to provide habitat for fish in all different places in Alaska, and we have just this amazing abundance of fish. Not only do we have this abundance of fish, it's delicious, clean fish, high in protein content, low carbon footprint, and it is pretty affordable. What makes pink salmon in Alaska special? Well, look around. We have the most amazing habitat available. We have cold, clear water. We have huge forests. These pink salmon live in places that are totally pristine. In Alaska, we have the best fisheries managers in the world. Working in conjunction with managers and following their set guidelines, we have the ability to keep this fishery sustainable. Our job as harvesters is simply to follow the rules set by the Fish and Game and to cooperate with them and communicate with them and tell them what we're seeing on the grounds. That we have the ability to harvest surplus year over year, every year, without affecting the resource, without affecting the habitat. It's an incredible, wild, and abundant resource. We all do our part to be stewards of this resource. It's the lifeblood of coastal Alaska. One thing that's different and special about pink salmon is that their abundance makes them affordable. Canned and frozen pink salmon from Alaska is an excellent choice year-round because it's packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It is perfectly preserved and ready to go. Just thaw it out or crack open a can and you've got dinner. Cooking pink salmon is easy. I'm fortunate to participate in a fishery that is sustainable and feeding American families, and I'm proud to do it.